Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomina Union Government Gam Masana Masabo Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum ITLF ni haina haizariba group asiga wari sanagani haina tauriba asi akan mamong de yaning de haina Kokomi ki spokesperson Khuraizam athobana ngarang Delhi da pangthokiba press meet amada phongdokre Mahagna Hai ITLF Haiba Group asi Chinkuki Narco Terrorist Organization gi luchingba sing oibeta natana Housing Manipur thoklibe irang astes haktheng nana chenaba miyoi singni haire meeting asida Mizoram gi Chief Minister su yaugani haiba asina Manipur miyam gi wakhalda amuk hena charang naba pokhalle Manipur thoklibe irang asta Mahagna Chinkuki Narco Terrorist singbo Maitai Furup Singh Mayokta Fongna Sagot Kiba Laikrabani, Loinana, Masigi Matang the Manipur Chief Minister, Mizoram Chief Minister Bo, Manipur Manungi Oiba Tabak Thoramda, Kut Tinzilaktan Abasu, Kangan Bel Laikrabani. Athobana High Union Home Minister and Mizoram Chief Minister Yauna, ITLF ko wari sanagodoriba ase, Manipur Miam sentiment Sokan Betan Natana, India Lengak na High Kibo Wafam Kuding Makta, Tazaba Watnaba Matak Ama Oigane Haire. Chinkuki luchingba singa wari sanadringai Manipur thoklib irang asi loisinduna mapandegi sanglakliba miyoi sing asi masak khangdoknaba honagadabani narco terrorist sing makhoigi mafamda thamba chingilam singda paktakna popi tharib asi yengsinba reserve forest zone da namduna leishiliba sing asi yengsindana wari sanarabani haike
Manipur has become the corridor of illicit drug trafficking from across the borders from Myanmar, from Shan state, from the then Golden Triangle. But now, the raw material production, the manufacturing unit, everything is now being, started establishing inside the territory of Manipur. And that territory is where they are institutionalizing, and they want to, create a barrier between the existing state administration and their administration. So they want a separate territory. Since 2017, the state government has enacted a new law called War on Drugs campaign. Okay. Accordingly, they have till date they have successfully destroyed around 15,000 acres of poppy cultivated land.
So
it has given a big threat and blow to them. That is why now see, state government has enacted 3 laws: War on Drugs, laws against illegal immigrants, and laws against encroachment in the forest area. Okay. These 3 laws is going to destroy their 25-30 years of investment in the Kuki dominated areas to establish the narco state. Okay. So now they don't have any other means to fight this. They cannot go to the court for war on drugs. They cannot go to the court for illegal immigrants. They cannot go to the court for forest eviction. So उसने क्या सोचा? What did they decide? As we cannot fight as per the existing law, we have to take a political decision. So in order to have a political decision and create a new law to defend these activities, then they indulge in direct attacking to the innocent Meitei people.